Hey guys, Matthew Mazur here. I just built a PC for $850. So here are the components that are in the PC along with the price. So to start off this build, we have the AMD FX 6300. Now this is a 6-core, 3.5 gigahertz processor. It works really well. I am very happy with it, and it's $120. Now, I chose to not go with the stock cooler, and I got the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Plus at $30. For the case, we went with the Corsair Carbide 300R at $90. This was on sale, and this is the windowed edition. For the motherboard, I got the Asus M5 A97 R2.0 at $105. For the RAM, I got the Kingston HyperX Black 8 gigs. It's 2 chips of 4 for $90. This runs at a clock speed of 1600 megahertz. For the power supply, I went with the Cooler Master Extreme 2 725 watt power supply. I got this power supply for $80. For the hard drive, I went with the Western Digital Blue 1 terabyte, 7200 RPM. I got this hard drive for $60. For the optical drive, I just chose the standard LG DVD reader writer at $15. For the video card, I got the Asus GeForce GTX 650 Ti Boost. This is a 2 gig GDDR5 video card. I got it for $150. This works really well. And finally, for the operating system, was there any doubt that I chose Windows 7 Home Premium at $110? Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, I went a little bit crazy on some of the components. Like, I could have gotten a cheaper case, or I could have gotten some stuff that were a little cheaper, like, but honestly, this was my first build. I went a little crazy, so on certain stuff that were unnecessary, and I could have spent more on a CPU and GPU, but oh well. So anyhow, like, subscribe, and thank you for supporting my channel. Have a good one.